2002 Cruisers 3750. This one's not going to be like any other one you'll see in that it has a series of upgrades, kind of unlike any other boat out there. I'll point those out as we go along. Nice aft deck, ice maker, wet bar, up to the bridge. Okay, you have bow and stern thrusters with a remote control. That's kind of custom. Fuel flow meters. New Garmin 7212, which has TV, satellite weather, Garmin autopilot, Furuno open array radar. There's a flat screen with surround sound up on the bridge. Working our way inside. Again, audio visual everywhere on this boat. Another surround sound system. Big salon, dinette, galley. $10,000 worth of audio video upgrades on this boat with SAT TV, high definition SAT TV. To our forward stateroom. Another football game on in here. Guest head. Back into the aft master. Another flat screen with surround sound back here. Into the Cruiser's master head, which also has a tub. So 2002 Cruisers 3750 with gas Crusader 8.1 HOs, the biggest power for this boat. Seller is ready to sell it, and let's